Okay, welcome to 439 Franklin Street. Here we've got the street view. A nice beautiful home. Take you inside. Got a 2-car garage. Okay, so right off the bat as we come inside, I'm going to the right. Looks like we've got a little flex room, baby room. Could be an office. Nice beautiful little room. Outside of that, from the front door I go left, and you got a mud room, coat room, closet here. I'll pan down and up for you. From there, we go right into, right above the stairs, we've got a bathroom. First bathroom here. To the left of that is the stairs. Nice LVP flooring. We've got the living room here. Moving through the house, coming to the kitchen. Beautiful little kitchen. Hard surface countertops. Modern amenities and appliances. Oven range, gas stove. To the left of the kitchen, looks like we've got a mud room, laundry room, nice shelving, washer and dryer. Coming into the garage, nice 2-car garage, plenty of space. Got some more shelving and coat racks over here. Bunch of appliances, shelving. Nice to get those things out of the way. Coming through the kitchen, we've got the dining room. And then off from the dining room is the access to the backyard. Nice little backyard. Little fenced in area. Let me show you the deck. I'll pan around and show you the little deck patio area. Beautiful little home. Got a little bit of room for lawnmowers, those kinds of things, dog houses. Beautiful vinyl fencing all the way around the home. And I'll take you back inside. We come inside again. Here's the dining room. Panning to the living room. Beautiful little area. From the living room, we move into the master bedroom. Here's the view from here. I'll pan around. Nice master bedroom. Let me show you the master bathroom. Again, hard surface countertops, dual sinks. You got your shower and tub. There's your tub. Through there, you've got a nice little walk-in closet. Beautiful little area. And here's the other side. Here's that other side view of that dual sink. Moving from there, we're going to go outside the master. Here's your stairwell. Going down the stairs. Right off the bottom of the stairs, we've got a guest bedroom. Nice little guest bedroom here. Here's a closet. Nice little closet there. Moving out from the guest bedroom, we go left. We've got a bathroom here. Again, dual sinks. Beautiful shelving, tile flooring. From the bathroom, we move outside the bathroom, walk down a little hall. To the right on the hall, we have a little bit of storage area underneath the stairs. Some storage there. Closing that. Moving on to secondary guest bedroom. Nice little view there. Same kind of closet. Here we've got moving back into the hallway. Again, to the right is the bathroom. And then left of that hallway we move into the downstairs TV room or playroom, whatever you want to call it. Nice open space. From the left of the TV room, we move into the appliance room. You've got your furnace there, and then you've got your water heater here. Great for storage in here. Give you the other side of the view. Again, furnace is there. Water heaters here. Here's your panel. Moving outside of the utility room. Again, back into the TV room, downstairs TV room. Plenty of space. Walk you around and show you the other side. Great little area, great home. Here's the final view.